Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I will be telling you how we can post any post on the website. Here we go to the start menu and we are going to the Alpro apps, and here we should go to the XAMPP. Here we have XAMPP and we should go to the control panel of the XAMPP, and it is being processed. We will be starting our two modules, Apache and MySQL. Here we go, and then we have to close it and then shall go to the browser. Here we go, localhost, and yes, my admin. Here we have ChatGPT. I'm gonna open it because I will be writing, ChatGPT will be writing the blog for our post. Here we go, continue, and yes, continue. We're here. We shall also open our web. Here we are on the interface and the dashboard of the tech vlog, and here we have ChatGPT. Yes, continue, and ChatGPT next, and then next, and done. And we are ready. It is ready to write the blog. Here we have post. I'm gonna post. We shall go here, add new, because I didn't have any previous, and I'm gonna add the new one. It is giving me the option to add the new one, and for now it is being closed, and I will be posting the blog here. And here I'm gonna write about the technology, the ChatGPT, for example, history of the ChatGPT. History of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is automating writing the blog for the post, all the information about the history of the ChatGPT, and I will be copying it and then I will be posting it. You can post you can write and then post. You can create the content from the official applications which create contents likewise, and then you can post them. Here we go. I'm gonna copy it. I have copied it, and now I'm gonna post it here. History of the ChatGPT. Here I have posted it. Here is the post and its summary. Visibility, public can see it. Publish immediately, and you can schedule it however you want. From which time, on which date, which year, you can choose that from here, but right now I'm not gonna do that. Template is single and URL is localhost tech vlog / p is equal to 7. Stick to the top of the blog, pending review, and author is admin tag, and we can move it to trash. We can choose the category. It is uncategorized. We can add new category. It is about the technology, so I have write about technology. And add category, and now category has been added, and you can choose any category however you want, and you can choose 2 of them, you can choose 1 of them, you can choose however, and you can add however you want the categories. And then about the tags. For the tags, We can use different size like keyword everywhere is an extension which provide us different tags. Here we go. Keyword everywhere. It is an extension keyword everywhere. Right now I'm not gonna install it, but you can use this. So here we can put a tags early language model. ChatGPT for example is a tag. Chat GPT, enter, and OpenAI AI and enter, GPT 2 and enter. All these are the tags, we can use them likewise. And here featured image, we are going to put the image. We can download any image and then we can put image however we want. Yes, I'm not a robot, I'm a human, and we will be using the images and find technology related. And here we have, so for example I'm gonna choose this one. Now it is giving me option to open it, to download it. I can choose the resolution. The resolution is 1920 and it's perfect, and open. And now I shall save images, and it is yes, and then it is asking me to search feature image, upload file, and media library. I have nothing in the media library right now because our web is new, but we can upload file, select file. Here we go, I have selected it, and now the technology transfer, we can see the alt, we can put the alt text here, which is ChatGPT and technology. ChatGPT and technology. Here we go. We can write its caption and description however we want. Right now it was just to show you however we can write the caption, which is history of ChatGPT, and likewise, for example, right now I'm copying it and gonna paste it here, but you can use different, and it appeared here. We can also replace and remove featured image, and here in excerpt, write an excerpt optional. It is optional, we can write or not, we cannot write. And discussion, allow comments and allow pingbacks and trackbacks. And in the blog, there is no blog selected yet because our site is really new, and here we have the all the information I have discussed with you, and we can post our blog. Here we can preview it, tablet, mobile, or preview in new tab, how it's gonna look like. This is tech vlog, and here it's gonna look like this. I'm scrolling up and down to show you, and people can leave comment. I also can post a comment here. Anyone can, because I have allowed the public to comment. So here we go. We can save it from this point and then can publish it. Publish visibility to the public, and publishing, I'm publishing it immediately. So here we go. post has published, and now we can view the post. That was for today. In today's video I was telling you how we can write and how we can post the vlog or blog however we want. It was blog, and you can choose the category and put tags and different things related to it. In the next video I will be back soon with amazing and other things. Please like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel.